In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vehicle registration number to blacklist in your Hikvision CCTV ANPR system. So you log into your Hikvision through the Internet Explorer web browser. When you're opening the Internet Explorer, you need to make sure that you do a so let's look for that Internet Explorer. Yeah, you go in there, you do a right click and click on Run as Administrator. Open it, and then you can type in the IP address of your CCTV recorder box. Some of you might already have this saved in. So mine is that, but it might be different in your one. Type the address to log into the CCTV. Type in your username, generally it's admin, and then type your password in. And then you click login. Once you log into the system, go into configuration. You then have on your left hand side a section that says vehicle detection down here. You click on that. Okay, now in here I'm getting a note coming in because my cameras are not automatic number plate recognition cameras. My cameras are just the standard cameras. So that's why it says the camera does not support the function. In your case, you will have your ANP camera. So from the list, you need to select the correct ANPR camera. Then it will display here, and then you have to tick and make sure this is ticked in, the enable vehicle detection. I think it should already be ticked in if your system's picking up number plates. So don't change that. That tick has to be there. So first select the camera, and then you scroll down, then you have export blacklist whitelist. So what you need to do, you need to download the Excel file from the DVR, and then enter the vehicle registration number that you need to blacklist, and then upload it back again to the DVR, so the DVR now knows, right, this registration number has to be on blacklist. So some of you might already have this blacklist Excel file downloaded, but if you haven't got it, you click on blacklist, whitelist, export, and then you have to select where you want to save it. So in my case, I'm going to select a desktop, and you have to give a name to it. I will type in CCTV blacklist, CCTV blacklist, and then click save. Oh, exporting configuration file failed. Maybe it didn't like that name. Just try blacklist, save. Right, okay, exporting configuration file success. So now I downloaded the template file. I'm going to go back to my desktop. Now I've got this file here. So one important thing to remember, you need to open this file using Microsoft Words. It's Microsoft Words. You can't use OpenOffice, Google Docs, or any other compatible softwares. You have to use Microsoft Words. Now in my computer, I don't have Microsoft Words, so I won't be able to upload this back again to the DVR properly. But you should have Microsoft Words in your computer if you need to use this properly. I'm sure you probably can find out how the Microsoft Office Words, Microsoft Excel looks like if you just type in Microsoft Excel. I think the icon looks like this, like that. So you should have something like that in your computer, and then you can use that to open the file. Just for the illustration purpose, I'm just going to open up using OpenOffice. So you'll find 3 columns in there. If your list is already empty, then it will just look like this without registration numbers. Or if you already have a system up and running, and if you already got some numbers in there, then you might see some other registration numbers. So if it's empty, you just type in the first number. If it has already got certain registration numbers, then just enter the next one. Let's say you got 3 numbers already there, so you can just type in 4 and then carry on with the 4th one. So because I don't have anything, I've just typed in 1. and then plate reg. So I'm going to enter my registration number for the van. And then in here, you can select either 0 for blacklist or 1 for whitelist. So the whitelist is not relevant for us. We only want to use the blacklist. So I'm just going to type in 0 there, and that's it. So it's 3 bits of information. You need to enter the vehicle, you need to enter the column number, and then the vehicle registration number, all in uppercase, no spaces, nothing. And then just type 0 next to it. Once you do that, you click save here. And you've done that, so we just close that. We will go back into, oh, I think I'll close the CCTV one. So look again, run as administrator. So you log back in there, configurations, go into vehicle detection, select your camera, whichever one of your ANPR cameras, just pick that one up. And then now we have already updated the file, so we need to now upload that file back into the recorder box. So we will click on browse, and that's the file, and click open. Now if I click import here, it's gonna fail because I did not use Microsoft Office to upload the file, update the file. So it will just come up as an error, but you need to make sure that you use Microsoft Microsoft Excel to edit the file, save, and then import it, and then it will successfully save the file. So now it says import configuration file failed because it's been edited by a different software. But in your case, just it'll say import success. So, and then click on save. It will save the file, and then that's it. So next time the vehicle with that registration number drive into your forecourt or your premises, it will notify through the recorder box and the screen, and if you have an alarm or anything connected to it, it will make a siren or sound a noise, and then alert you that the vehicle has entered premises. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, give us a ring.